everyone! In today's session, we are learning the sound O. Let's play a game. Let's bump into the sound O. Off we go! Oh no, that's X. We need to bump into the sound O. Let's keep looking. Can you see the sound O? There it is! Gotcha! Well done! Now it's your turn. I want you to look all by yourself. Keep looking. There it is. Ah, well done. My go. Octopus, your go. I have got a picture of an olive. My go. Olive, your go. I have got a picture of an orange. Orange. I have got a picture of a sea otter. My go. Otter, your go. We have got 4 pictures altogether. My go. Octopus. Olive. Orange.
Let's play a game. I want you
Otter.
to read the sounds.
Your go. All these pictures begin with the sound O, the sound that we are learning today. Here is the sound O. Whenever you see this sound, you are going to say O. Let's practice together. My go, O. Your go. My go, O. Your go. My go, O. Your go. Fantastic. Say hello to Otie the otter. Hello, Otie the otter. Now, I've noticed something. Otie. The otter's name begins with the sound O. Here's the sound we're learning today, O. And when you think of the sound O, I want you to remember Otie, the otter. It's time to review all the sounds that we have been learning. My go first. S, n, t, o, I, a, n, o, t, I, s, n. Your go. Well done, everyone. Notice how I went pretty quickly this time. That's because when we're reviewing our sounds, we want to say them in a speedy way. That shows that we're remembering them. If you found it a little bit tricky, that's okay. You can always go back and watch the video and try again. Here's a picture of Otie, the otter, swimming in the sea. And there's the waves in the sea. Let's watch a video to see what Otie the otter is going to do next. Are you ready? Wow, Otie the otter's having lots of fun swimming in the sea. Let's watch it again. Hmm, I've noticed something. Otie the otter is swimming in a circle. Can you see it? Follow Otie the otter swimming in the sea with your finger. Wow, she's really swimming in circles. Hmm, that reminds me a little bit of the sound that we were learning today. To write the sound off, we are going to say circle the sea like Otie the otter. I want you to watch Otie the otter and practice with your magic pen at home. Circle the sea like Otie the otter. And again, circle the sea like Otie the otter. Well done. I'm going to practice with my magic pen. Circle the sea like Otie the otter. Let's practice on the sound O. Circle the sea like Otie the otter. With your finger, trace along the O in your worksheet. Circle the sea like Otie the otter. I'm going to practice writing the sound O. Where do I need to start? I hope you said on the green dot, and then I need to follow the arrow. So I'm going to try really hard to practice writing the sound, and I'm going to go like this. Oops. Let's try again. Circle the sea like Otie the otter. It's your turn to practice now. In your worksheet, you will find a page. We are going to be practicing our reading. Look, it's the sound O, the sound that we've been learning. And now Spotted Indian, we're starting off by reading an Indian word. My go first. Hot, hot. Hot's not a real word, is it? Word. Your go. My go. Oh, top. Your go. Well done. My go. Oh, s. Pots. Your go. Well done. Oh, look. It's robot. Robot is saying robot talk in your head. Robot talk in your brain. And then just say the word. Okay? Off you go. Next word. Super. Oh, look. Robot has disappeared. Robot has said you've had lots of practice reading the words. Now just say the word. Your go. My go. Top. Your go. My go. Pots. Your go. Your go. Well done, everyone. Remember, we can see all the sounds that we have learnt so far. Let's play a little game. Can you point to the sound T? Well done. Can you point to the sound Can you point to the sound S? Can you point to the sound O? Super. Now, above the sounds that we have learned, we have got 1, 2, 3 boxes. These boxes are important because we are making words today, and the boxes tell us how many sounds the word has got. So, I want you to very carefully with your finger point to the box and count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's how many sounds we have today in our first word. The word we are making is pin. Pin. What sounds can you hear in the word pin? Let's try together first. Pin. P is the first sound. I is the next sound. Is the last sound. Pin. P, I. Let's see if we were right. I. Let's read it to make sure it's correct. I. Super. Okay, now that we have practiced the first word, we are going to move on to a new word. Our new word is sit. My go, sit, your go. Well done. Sit. Sit. There's 3 boxes, so that means there are 3 sounds. Sit. S. It. S. It. S. It. Sit. Our next word is tin. Tin. How many sounds are in tin? 1, 2, 3. Tin. T. I. T. I. I. Tin. My go. T. I. Tin. Your go. T. I. Tin. The next word is nap. Nap. My go. Nap. Your go. Nap. Nap. Well done. There's 3 boxes again. I wonder what that means. It means there's 3 sounds. Nap. Mm, ah, mm, ah, mm, ah. Let's read the word. Ah, nap.